Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a package that promises to get you recording straight away. The Presonus AudioBox Go Mobile 2 by 2 USB audio recording interface bundled with the Studio One Artist software pack and LYX Pro condenser microphone kit. The big draw here is that it's designed to give you everything you need right out of the box, making it incredibly appealing for anyone looking to dive into recording without piecing together a setup. At the heart of this kit is the Presonus AudioBox Go interface itself. This is an ultra-compact, truly mobile 2 by 2 USB audio interface. Its small size means you can easily toss it in a bag and record anywhere inspiration strikes. Despite its tiny footprint, it packs in essential features. You get a single XLR combo input, which is versatile enough for both microphones and line-level instruments. Crucially, for using the included condenser microphone, this input provides plus 48V phantom power. There's also a second input for instruments or line signals, giving you 2 channels to work with simultaneously. One of the standout features for recording is the zero latency monitoring. This is handled via an internal analog mixer, allowing you to hear your input signal directly without any delay, which is essential for tracking vocals or instruments comfortably. The interface supports sample rates up to 96 kHz, which is more than sufficient for creating high-quality recordings. For listening back or monitoring with headphones, there's a dedicated TRS 1/4-inch stereo headphone output. Beyond the hardware, a significant part of this package is the software. It includes a download for Studio One Prime recording software, which is a powerful and intuitive digital audio workstation from Presonus, perfect for getting started with recording, editing, and mixing. Additionally, you get the Studio Magic software bundle, adding a collection of virtual instruments, effects, and loops to enhance your productions. Adding even more value, the kit includes LYX Pro condenser microphone and necessary accessories, meaning you literally have the interface, a microphone capable of capturing detailed sound, thanks to the phantom power the interface provides, and the software to record and produce. It's designed to remove the barriers to entry, providing a complete, portable solution for musicians, podcasters, or anyone wanting to capture audio on the go or at home without a complicated setup process. This package truly delivers on the promise of getting you started recording straight away with minimal fuss.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.